Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into make.com to build dropshipping automation, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the make.com website. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Type your password in the next field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once your email and password are entered, click the Login button. Wait a moment as the system processes your credentials. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your make.com dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Look for the Scenarios tab on the dashboard. This is where you will create your dropshipping automation. To start a new scenario, click the Create New Scenario button. You can search for apps that you want to connect for dropshipping. Choose the appropriate apps for your needs, such as a store platform and a supplier service. Drag and drop the selected apps into the scenario area. Connect the different apps by following the on-screen instructions. Configure the triggers and actions based on your automation requirements. Test your scenario by clicking on the Run Once button. Monitor the results to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Once satisfied, save your scenario for later use. You can activate it for regular automation by turning it on. Consider revisiting your settings to optimize your automation process. Regularly check your dashboard for performance analytics and updates. This will help you refine your dropshipping strategy over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.